What's up, YouTube? So we have a, what year Ram is this? The one I just cleaned the throttle body on. 2016 5.7. So this car kept getting a purge valve code, purge performance code, purge performance. So how the purge gets its performance from is from what, Jude? What is that?
This is
the fuel tank pressure sensor. So Dodge redesigned the fuel tank pressure sensor, so you have to buy a new pigtail. And then what's going on in this one is it's full of green crusties. The fuel tank pressure sensor is at the bottom of the filler neck. So what Jude now is doing is pinning the Dodge upgraded pigtail. You know, it would be too easy for them to install these during manufacturing, right?
Yeah, I know, right?
So
now I gotta try and stab the
yeah, so Jude's gonna rewire it. What is it with Dodge and their wire harnesses and shit? Like, we just had that fuel pump issue debacle crap, and then now we got this crap with upgraded pigtail. But the moral to the story is, one, check the connectors, make sure that they're good. Two, remove the green crusties if possible. Three, replace the connector if it's available, right? And four, that the purge volume control is looking at fuel tank pressure sensor. I'm sure it's looking at a few other things too, but so now what Jude's going to do is solder actually he's not even going to solder. He's going to use solder butt connectors that we got from Amazon.
They're not butt connectors. They're fucking pass-through connectors, you asshole.
They're called pass-through?
I don't know. You shove the wires.
Solder connectors like these. You just use your lighter and it shrink wraps and solders all in one. So if you're chasing a purge code on this car only, so here's what we were chasing originally was large evap leak, small evap leak with rusted out filler neck, aftermarket gas cap, aftermarket purge valve, and aftermarket leak detection pump, or NVLD. And then now we're down to the last piece of this, which is replace the fuel tank pressure sensor and pigtail and get this truck over the curb here. Thanks for watching.